Wagwan, my lovely taquitos, welcome back to my channel. I want to thank you for your support thus far, and if you're just joining me, hello there. What are you waiting for? Go ahead, hit that subscribe button if free, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, don't be shy, and most importantly, share with all of your wonderful friends and your good up friends them, because God love when you share.
Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'll be making some curried chicken feet. Yes, you heard right. So if you're just joining, thanks for stopping by. I really do hope you stick around. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, don't be shy, and share with all your wonderful friends, and most importantly, subscribe. Now, chicken feet, it has a lot of collagen, and as we grow older, we tend to lose collagen, which helps with elasticity and just helps our skin to be healthy or in general. So collagen is responsible for the elasticity of our skin, the glowiness, and all of that good stuff. So you might want to try some chicken foot next time before you throw them out. All right, so let's begin. So I'm starting off with some combined spices, and as usual, I'll leave the ingredients in the description box below. So let's get right into it. And that is all she wrote, guys. Thanks for sticking around. Remember to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, don't be shy, share with all your wonderful friends, and most importantly, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.